Welcome to Learn English Every Day. Today's English quiz will test your knowledge of articles. Ready? Let's begin. I saw a dash elephant at the zoo. I saw an elephant at the zoo. She bought dash apple from the market. She bought an apple from the market. Dash sun is shining brightly today. The sun is shining brightly today. There is dash university in this city. There is a university in this city. He is reading dash interesting book. He is reading an interesting book. We stayed at dash hotel near the beach. We stayed at the hotel near the beach. Can you pass me dash salt, please? Can you pass me the salt, please? She adopted dash dog from the shelter. She adopted a dog from the shelter. There is dash orange on the table. There is an orange on the table. My brother is watching dash movie we talked about. My brother is watching the movie we talked about. Dash moon looks beautiful tonight. The moon looks beautiful tonight. We had dash amazing time at the concert. We had an amazing time at the concert. She gave me dash useful advice. She gave me a useful advice. He wants to become dash astronaut. He wants to become an astronaut. We visited dash Eiffel Tower last summer. We visited the Eiffel Tower last summer. Awesome job, friends. How many did you get right? Comment below. Subscribe for more English challenges.